In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide database properties in Notion. If your database feels cluttered, hiding properties is a quick way to focus on what truly matters without deleting any data. You'll keep all your information intact while presenting a cleaner, easier to scan view. Start by opening the database you want to adjust. This can be a table, board, list, or any other database view inside your workspace. Make sure you're inside the specific page or block where the database lives, so the toolbar for that view is visible. At the top of the database view, click the Properties button. It typically appears in the toolbar near the sorting and filtering options. When you open it, Notion shows a panel of every property associated with this database, even ones that aren't currently visible. If you don't see the button at first, hover near the top right of the database until the controls appear. Take a moment to review the list of available properties, which correspond to your columns or card fields. These might include things like status, tags, due date, assignee, created time, formulas, or roll-ups. Think about which fields you actually need to see for your day-to-day work. This quick review helps you decide what to hide now and what to keep visible for clarity. To hide a property, simply turn off the toggle beside it. The property won't be deleted. It's just removed from view in this particular database view. Your underlying data remains safe and searchable. This is especially helpful if you use advanced properties like formulas or roll-ups that are useful for calculations, but distracting to look at constantly. Keep in mind that property visibility is usually controlled per view, so what you hide here won't affect other views unless you repeat the same toggles there. You'll see the database update automatically as soon as you switch a toggle off. Columns in a table will disappear, and cards and boards or galleries will show fewer badges or fields. With fewer visible fields, your database becomes easier to scan, and it's simpler for teammates to understand what they're looking at. Anytime you need to bring something back, return to the Properties menu and toggle the property on again. This flexibility lets you fine-tune what you see as your needs change, without restructuring your database. That's it. By opening your database, using the Properties button, reviewing the list, turning off toggles for fields you don't need right now, observing the instant cleanup, and returning to re-enable properties when needed, you'll keep your Notion databases clean, focused, and efficient.